last week we started our new chapter in the social science, that was our solar system in the universe. Since this is the first time you are learning social and science separately, little bit confusions will be there. Okay, so later on you will get used to the subject. What is the last time we learned what is the solar system in the universe? So where are we living? We are living in the universe. Okay, where is universe? It is on the Earth. We are living on the planet Earth. Where are we living? We are living on the Earth. Earth, what is the shape of the Earth? It is square, rectangle, triangle? No, it is just round like an orange. What is the shape of the Earth? It is round like an orange. So we are living on the planet Earth. Okay. So next, coming to universe. What? Universe has all these things. What are the things you can find out? Universe has stars. What it has? Stars, sun, solar system, satellites, moon, planets. All these are in universe. It is in universe. So in this we are learning about the solar system now. Okay, we are learning about the solar system. Solar system has satellites, moon, planets, sun, stars. All these things are in solar system. Okay, so last time we learned about how the earth came into existence. Big bang, a big explosion was there, and then all scientists sat together and they discussed about how the universe came into existence. And there was a tiny compact point. What do you mean by compact? When something is made smaller or firmer by pressing it. Okay, when you press something, it becomes compact, isn't it? For example, you blow a balloon. Okay, when you press like this, it becomes compact. That is called as a compact, meaning of compact. Then, what are the other things we can find out here? Stars. Okay, the galaxy is a star. A star is a ball of gas, hot gases. Now, star. What do then? Can you find star during daytime? No. Why? Because sunlights, okay, are brighter than the star. Stars are there in the sky during daytime also. But what we think only stars are found in night time. No, it will be there. But due to the sun rays, you can't see the star in the daytime. You can find only during the night time. And it is a ball of hot gases that burn all the time and glow like a big fire. A huge collection of stars. Is there only one star? No. Lots and lots of stars are there in the sky. Collections of huge stars with gases and dust. Okay, with gases and dust is called a galaxy. What it is called? Galaxies. 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 A huge collection of stars along with gases and dust is called as galaxy. There are many galaxies. So many galaxies are there. Even the star galaxies are not one or two. There are many galaxies in the universe. Have you ever looked at the stars at night? Have you looked at the stars at night? They are different in sizes. You just see during the night time, stars look in different shapes. Okay. However, all stars look very small because they are very far away. It is very far, isn't it? Sky is very, very far from the earth. So when you see the star, it looks very, very small. Stars have their own light and heat. Even they also have their own light and heat, and they shine all the time in the sky. They always shine at the sky. During the day, the light from the sun is so bright. The sunlight is very, very bright and hot also. That is why you can't see the stars. Okay, we are unable to see the light of the other stars in the sky. Our earth receives heat and light from the sun. So where do we get heat and light? We get from the sun only, which makes all forms of life. So everybody knows that living things need sunlight, isn't it? Plants, human beings, animals, all the living beings need the sunlight. And humans, plants and animals make the life possible on the earth. Sunlight is very, very essential for them to grow also. Next, coming to the satellites. Satellite is a heavenly body that revolves around a planet. So there are planets also in the in the universe, isn't it? So satellite is a heavenly body. It's a heavenly body that revolves around the planets. Satellites also have no light. Even they don't have the light of their own. Other than Mercury and Venus, all other planets have satellites. So each planet have their satellites of the own. But Mercury and Venus, all other planets have satellites. The Earth has only one natural satellite. So even Earth is also having only one natural satellite. Which is that satellite? That is nothing but the Moon. Moon is the only natural satellite which Earth is having. So next, last time I gave you to write the thing about spellings of 8 planets. So there are 8 planets in the solar system. How many planets are there? 8 planets in the solar system. 8, see in this picture you can see the 8 planets. Okay, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Along with this video, I will be sending a small video of the solar system also, and the names of planets, everything will be there. I think it will be easy for you to understand. This is a new lesson, a new concept. It takes time to understand. In case if you don't understand, please call and ask or clear your doubts. Okay. Now, first coming to the first planet of the solar system. The very first planet is Mercury. Mercury, which is the first planet. Mercury is the first planet. Mercury is the smallest planet. It is the very, very smallest planet in the solar system. It is the planet closest to the sun. You know, sun is in the center. All the planets revolve around the sun. Okay, so the very first planet near to the sun is Mercury. What it is? Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet and the first planet of the smaller system. It is very, very small also. Smallest planet. It is too hot to support any form of life. Mercury is also very hot. Why? What is the reason? Because it is nearer to the sun. When the planet is near to the sun, because the sun, you know, it is a ball of hot gas and light. So this is also very, very hot. This planet also will be very, very hot. Mercury is the first planet. Next, second one is Venus. 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 Venus is the second planet in the solar system. It is the hottest planet. Even that is also hottest planet. So you can see here, this is Mercury and this is Venus. It is the hottest planet. It is called as the evening star. What it is called? Evening star or morning star. Next, coming to the third one, Earth. Earth. So, this is the planet where we are living. We are living on the planet Earth. We are living on the planet Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Okay. It is only planet known to support life. Why? Why we are saying like that it supports life? Because the Earth has both land and water. This is the only planet which has both land and water. Our planet is also surrounded by air. You know, air is very, very essential for living things to live, respond, isn't it? So, it is also surrounded by air. Which planet? Earth. Earth is the only planet. So, that is why all living beings exist on this planet Earth. Okay. This is the third planet. Next, coming to the fourth planet. Mars. M-A-R-S. Mars. Okay. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. Okay. And the second smallest planet in the solar system. The first smallest planet is Mercury. The second will be Mars. It is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Fifth one is the Jupiter. Fifth one is the Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet of the Sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system. It is a very, very biggest one. Which one? Jupiter. And it is the fifth planet of the solar system. Next, sixth one is Saturn. S-A-T-U-R-N. Saturn. So, many of you, what you write? S-A-T-R-U-N you write. That is the wrong spelling. Saturn. S-A-T, Sat, U-R-N, Earn. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet of the solar system. There is one speciality in this planet. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is also called the ringed planet. Why? Because it has rings around the planet. Beautiful visible rings will be there. See, just like that. Saturn has several rings around this planet. So, Saturn is the sixth planet. Next, seventh one, Uranus. U-R-A-N-U-S. Uranus. What is this? Uranus is the seventh planet. It is the seventh planet of the solar system. And it is also called as an ice giant. What it is called? Ice giant. Why it is called as ice giant? Because it is far away from the Sun. So Uranus is the seventh planet. And the last, eighth one, Neptune. N-E-P-T-U-N-E. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. It is very cold and windy. Neptune is also very, very cold planet. And it is also windy. And it is the eighth planet of the solar system. Okay. It is called as the eighth planet. Cold and windy also. And one more is also there. It is Pluto. But it is called as a dwarf planet. Now it is not considered as a planet now. Okay, it is just as called as a dwarf planet. Now till here you can recap it. Only 8 planets. The first one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now please learn the pronunciation, spellings, everything. Okay, these are very, very important. 8 planets of the solar system. Later on you can, in higher classes, you can learn about each planet, about the description and everything. Now you can just learn what are the names of the 8 planets and its spellings also. Okay, so this is our solar system, children. Our solar system in the universe. Okay, till here you can understand the lesson. Here, first one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. I'll also send you the small video about that. I think till here you would have understood the lesson. If you have any doubts, please call and contact me and clear all your doubts. Okay, thank you.